producer price index shows the difference in the cost of goods compared to the previous month's outcome, frequently from wholesale and manufacturing enterprises. The index is a breakdown of costs from a variety of sectors and measures trends well, giving an important indication of inflation and its effect on producers. Results which show rising prices are often a sign of a growing economy, while figures which show little or negative changes often indicate stagnation or recession. Investors examine the results of the PPA data carefully, and the number often creates market impetus for equities and forex, particularly when the outcome from the producer price index publishes a surprising outcome. It is also important to note that rising prices in the PPI often have a direct result on consumer spending because of their direct effect on the public.